I am using powdered nutmeg. I found it difficult to grind the actual nutmeg. Add 1 vanilla pod to the mix, then top up with 150 milliliters of grapeseed oil. Cover the mixture with aluminum foil and bake it for 1 hour at 80 degrees Celsius. In the meantime, we will prepare the Kola syrup. Start by measuring 500 milliliters of water. Add it to a saucepan alongside 400 grams of your sweetener. Usually this will be brown sugar. However, I am using a sugar-free substitute. This step is optional, but I think it is super cool to add Kola nuts. Where do you think the name Coca-Cola comes from? Bring this mixture to a boil and then simmer for 40 minutes. While we wait, we will prepare the rest of the ingredients. Squeeze 50 milliliters of lime juice. Xanthan gum is used here to emulsify the water and oil-based ingredients. Citric acid is used as flavor enhancer and as preservative. The Kola syrup is ready, time to strain it, and remove the pieces of Kola nut, if using. The oil-based citrus mixture is also ready. It smells divine. I will add a piece of dark chocolate to melt in it, just for color. We don't need much of the citrus mixture, just 4 or 5 tablespoons. Now add the citric acid, xanthan gum and lime juice, and blend to emulsify everything. Pour some of the mixture into a bottle and top up with sparkling water. Then it is ready to drink.